So you're pretty much crowned as an admin of an app. You're one of the select few who can add or remove users and decide who does what. But hey, with all that power comes some serious responsibility. What's that mean? Well, don't just give users full access because you're not sure what they need. Try to group users by their role if the app lets you, and be precise about their access levels. It's always better to start with less access. If something's not working, do a little digging or hit up app support to figure out exactly what access they need. Make sure everyone's using strong passwords and that multi-factor authentication is enforced. Every now and then, take a peek at when someone last logged in and see if they still need access. Oh, and if someone leaves the company, make sure you get the heads up to remove their access. Now, do a bit of detective work and search if there are any known phishing scams floating around linked to this app. If yes, let users know about them. And don't forget to have a chat with the security team. Let them know about this app and find out who you should contact and what to do if things go south.